Deep in the heart of a quiet forest, where sunlight dripped gently through the trees and the earth was soft with moss, lived a tiny mushroom named Milo. Milo wasn't tall like the trees or colorful like the flowers. He didn't buzz like bees or sing like birds. In fact, many creatures barely noticed him. But Milo didn't mind. He was patient, quiet, and kind. The kind of kindness that didn't shout, but whispered through actions. Every day, Milo watched the forest wake up. He'd greet the ladybugs that crawled over his cap and offer shade to the ants when the sun was too strong. He even kept the ground moist and cool, helping nearby plants grow strong. One day, a young squirrel named Nixie came crashing through the bushes. She was small and full of energy, but today she looked worried. "I lost my acorn," she cried. "I buried it here somewhere." Nixie dug and dug, scattering leaves and upsetting flowers. The forest began to look messy, and the plants whispered nervously. Milo, soft and steady, spoke gently. "Nixie, let's take a breath. I'll help you." Nixie blinked. "You? But you're just a mushroom." Milo smiled. Sometimes, the smallest things can make the biggest difference. With quiet care, Milo asked the wind for clues, listened to the rustle of leaves, and followed the scent of fresh earth. Slowly but surely, he guided Nixie toward a small patch beneath a fern. There, she squealed, digging gently this time. Out came her acorn, safe and sound. "You found it," Nixie said. "How did you know?" "I've been here a long time," Milo said. "I noticed the little things." Nixie sat beside him. "I'm sorry I didn't listen. You're really smart and kind." From that day forward, the forest saw Milo differently. Not just as a mushroom, but as a quiet helper, a gentle guide. Animals came to him for advice, or simply to sit and rest beside his peaceful shade. Milo never asked for attention, he simply gave. And the forest thrived, because kindness, Milo knew, didn't need to be loud or flashy. It just needed to be genuine, like soft rain or morning light, or the heart of a little mushroom who chose to care.